Hey guys, it's Jacob here with Journey in Arts. This is my first video, so I'm going to just explain a little bit of what my channel will be about. My channel's pretty much just going to be anything about Call of Duty, video games, etc. I do have a JTAG, which is currently broken. It needs to be reflashed. It didn't want to flash right, so that'll be up, and eventually I'll host lobbies in Modern Warfare 2. So subscribe, and I'll let everybody know when I eventually do that. I'm hoping to have that done by the next week or so. So if you don't subscribe for anything else, just remember to subscribe for that. Also, I like to do like PC gaming, so I have servers for PC games and websites. So I might occasionally do a really nerdy video on servers, etc., tutorials on something like that. That's not going to be the focus of this channel. So to kick things off, I'm gonna do just an overview of my server setup. Right now, let's see, on the left here we have a pfSense box with a Pentium 4 with 2 gigs of RAM, I think, probably close to. It runs pfSense with 2 load balanced Verizon Fios 2525 connections. So that's the router. For my switches, I have Ghetto Rig, which is just a Netgear firewall, which does absolutely nothing at this point. And then it's daisy chained to just a little Netgear switch, which then goes to my servers, which are IBM X Series 335s with dual Xenon 2.8 gigahertz with 2 gigs of RAM and dual network interface cards. So they also have SCSI drives, as you can see. I don't have the covers on them, but the hard drive setup right now is just a SATA RAID card, or PCI SATA RAID card, as you can see with that ghetto hard drive. You know, it's kind of ghetto, but I personally think that SCSI drives are kind of expensive and kind of obsolete at this point. I actually have 3 of them. One decided that the power supply was going to fail on me, so I sent that back with pairs. As you can see, there's only one on right now, and that's due to the fact that I don't have another hard drive for this one right now. The RAID card is actually beside me. I'm not going to show it just because it's a RAID card, but it's right beside me, so I have that one. I just need to eventually try and get another hard drive for it, and that'll be ready. Let's see. Yeah, although my rack setup isn't all that great, it's just kind of ghetto, but it gets the job done, and it wasn't that expensive. I couldn't find anything nice on Craigslist, so I settled for this. I don't know, I like it. It's not that ugly, but what I have currently servers for right now, I have several different types of stuff on right now on this server right here for several different people. But let's see, to run through, I have game servers, web hosts, and I have 2 people on a VPN right now. So let's see, I have a Gary's Mod server, which I'll post the IP for that. I have a Call of Duty server for specifically, we do pro mods, stuff like that. Let's see what else. I currently have five websites for people. So the server doesn't really, it might use like 5 to 10% CPU, so I don't really have that much stuff on it, but eventually I will have 3 of them set up with 2 connections. If anybody is interested in getting a server, like a game server or web host, just send me a YouTube message, and I will try and work something out with you guys. I think that wraps it up for my first video. My next one's probably just gonna be a quick list of the servers I host for people and what they are, like Gary Mod servers, etc. So that's about it for my first video here.